Hello, so our ingredients would be red onions. Some videos they have garlic, but we don't have garlic in our fridge, so never mind garlic. But we have ginger, spring onion, and I've got siling labuyo or the red chili. So we were gonna make a spicy pancit palabok, and we have chicken. But this is too big for our pancit palabok, so I will gonna prepare that later. Then we have our mushroom as for our extender for our chicken. And then we have our cornstarch with anato water or atsuete. And then we have, oh, that's not blood. That's the color from atsuete or anato seeds. And we have our sotanghon. Of course, we already pre-cooked that one. You've seen it in the video. Yes, I put ice so that it won't be a bit sticky. And then we'll have black pepper for our seasoning and salt, of course. And for our toppings, I bought this one. I like this. You can usually see this in takoyaki and yeah, takoyaki. So we're gonna create a masterpiece later. So let's start cooking. Alright, so let's try our pancit palabok. Again, I haven't tried pancit palabok, so if this is right, please tell me it's right. And if it's not, then let me try real pancit palabok then. So this pancit palabok is requested by Mr. Jovenil Jing, requested by Jing Apa. So Jing, this is your pancit palabok or sotanghon something, and I hope this is right. Yeah, okay, let's try this. It's like spaghetti. Ooh. I need to improve this, but this ain't bad. I can do more. I can improve this one. But in fairness, I can imagine some kind of Bangkok dish like this one. Wow. I don't know what's the name. Maybe it's sotanghon. But yeah, I made this one. Okay, let's try with the chicken. There's nothing special with the chicken. It's just fried chicken and with... Yeah, nothing. Just a fried chicken That's it. Just chicken. This chicken tastes better than the chicken I've tasted in Bangkok. Sorry. So that's our, hopefully, pancit palabok. But it tastes good. And try to create your own recipe. Charms. Anyways, that's all. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and bye-bye.